In a world of negativity, wherein we come across various negative issues on a day to day basis, we find it hard to have a positive perception, isn't it? And we often, knowingly or unknowingly, try to find reasons for our failures and easily point fingers towards others, blaming them for our failure. Having said this, it's always important to have right perceptions in mind, greater perceptions in mind, broader perceptions in mind. And in a world where we often tend to complain even for minor things like, I don't have motivation, I feel hungry so I'm not able to do a particular task, or someone is disturbing me so I'm not able to focus, or it's because of the numerous notifications I'm having this trouble of focusing or whatnot. We have numerous reasons to state. But imagine a person with a congenital defect, lipomyelin, diagnosed with scoliosis and with more than 60% locomotor disability of lower limbs and had to undergo numerous surgeries for her condition, beating against all the odds and emerging successful, not based on the outcome but based on the greater perceptions which she developed in a process of her journey. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the inspiring story of Dr. Chhavi Verma.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Chhavi Verma and I was a part of PTBD Academy from last year. I always consider myself their part. So I was a Mission 12 batch student last year. So I'm here to share my story and share some of my strategies and experiences related to NEET MDS preparation. If this can help somebody in any way possible, I would be more than happy. So I am basically a PH candidate and I had a congenital disorder which is lipomyelin, and I was also diagnosed with scoliosis and presently I have more than 60% disability, locomotor disability in my lower limbs. So I have undergone multiple surgeries for all the conditions I have, but I always wanted to be a doctor. And when I opted for the medical field, the journey has been a little too tough, not only because of my physical disability, but because of all the negativity which surrounded me. Like I was always told that I should have opted for something easier so that I could do justice to the profession, or I could lead a much easier or comfortable life. But I always knew that my passion lies in this field. So I opted to become a dentist actually, and I managed to keep my positivity and sanity intact throughout my BDS. But as soon as I entered into internship, there were many thoughts in my mind related to, should I pursue MDS or not? Am I capable enough or not? All kind of thoughts were getting into my head, which were not always very positive. But like literally thank God for PTBD Academy, and this is going to sound really dramatic, but this is the truth, that one day I saw a video on YouTube where sir was talking about human potential, and that really changed a lot for me. And in that moment I do realize that a mentor is very important in one's life, and I was seeing my mentor on the screen that day, which was Sai Naveen Kumar Pillai sir, and I enrolled myself in PTBD Academy. And actually the thing about PTBD Academy is that they will not only guide you through the academic part, which is obviously very important and they are brilliant with that, but also they will make sure that you surround yourself with so much positivity towards everything, that end of the day your aim is not only to crack the exam, but it becomes to reach your maximum potential, and to find that maximum potential which is hidden within you. So Now here are some things which I according to me I think which went right for me, and some things which I thought were my mistakes which I want to share with everybody so it can help you in your preparation phase. So first and foremost, I tried to complete all the e-classes which were provided to us as PTBD Academy students, and I made my notes very sincerely, and that is very important. Like sir has always been highlighting that you cannot study everything when when there is less time left for your exam. In your revision days, your notes are the only saviors available for you. So you have to prepare notes in early days, and then I gave all my tests very seriously. It is very important to take your tests seriously, because I think if you evaluate yourself time to time, it is going to help you a lot. And then I referred only and only standard textbooks, so that I had that confidence about every important topic, because I made sure that I refer standard textbooks for very important topics. And most importantly, I detached myself from all the negative people which were around me, and I procrastinated as less as possible. And never even once throughout this phase I thought that this exam is a matter of life or death. It was just another opportunity for me to learn as much as I could. So yeah, but I would like to highlight some of my mistakes which I hope you guys will not repeat. So actually the biggest mistake which I did was that I started my revision a little late. So you have to have 2 months and 2.5 months just for revision, because there is so much to keep in mind that you have to revise again and again, and everybody says that, and this is nothing but true, that revision is the only key. And then secondly, I did not actually I could not manage my subjects really well. Like I was weak in medical subjects, so I gave them all the importance, and I somewhere neglected some of easier subjects, which I thought were easy. But then every subject has equal weightage, so I should not have done that as well. So yeah, these were some points, and that was my story. I hope I could have helped you in any way. And at end, I would just like to thank sir, PTBD Academy, the team, and tell everybody which may see me sometime that if you, it's not only about this exam, it is about any other important thing in your life. If you really are positive about it, and you are passionate about that, and you enjoy that journey, then it is, I think the journey is even more enjoyable than the result. Then at end result never matters if you have enjoyed the journey and if you are happy about your progress throughout the journey. So yeah, thank you very much.
It's not about the end result. It's not about successful outcomes. It's all about enjoying the process. It's all about focusing on the task at hand. Enjoying the process is the key. Because when you enjoy the process, successful outcomes will be natural consequences.